Good day. My name is Hallie, and I'm here to talk to you about a very scary health crisis in our country. This is the sedentary lifestyle that most Americans are living. In 2018, a CDC report showed that almost 40% of adults in Mississippi met the qualification of the diagnosis of obesity. For those who are wondering what obesity is, it's extremely overweight. The same study showed that between 30 and 35 adults engage in no leisure activities. This means that outside of work, they do not choose to exercise or be active. At the time of the study by the CDC, both of these statistics were on an upward trend within the state of Mississippi and the United States, which is scary and alarming. Because of these alarming numbers, we as a community need to get people motivated and interested in increasing their physical activity and reducing the amount of sedentary lifestyle. Come on, people, we need to get off our chairs and go out and be active. It isn't difficult choices that we need to make. You don't need a gym membership. All you need to do is go for a walk. There's good evidence that the best approach to this issue is a twofold. The first is increasing activity. Something as simple as a walk for 30 minutes each day has shown to help improve healthy problems relating to sedentary lifestyle. You could walk to the grocery store instead of driving. Go walk to a friend's house. Instead of driving to a fast food restaurant, you can walk. That leads me to the other thing. The other thing is we need to educate ourselves about healthy diets. And so instead of eating those cheeseburgers, let's pick up some carrot sticks. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Have a great day.